Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make focus light. To begin, understand that focused light directs photons into a tight, powerful beam, rather than scattering them broadly. This concentration significantly increases the intensity of illumination in a specific area. It is incredibly useful for tasks like spotlighting a performer on stage, illuminating a small object for photography, or even creating a powerful flashlight beam for long-distance visibility. To create focused light, you will need three main components. First, a light source like a bright LED or a small incandescent bulb provides the initial illumination. Second, a lens, usually a convex type, is crucial for bending the light rays. Third, a reflector, often shaped parabolically, helps to collect and redirect the light emitted from the source, pushing it towards the lens or directly into a beam. There are two primary techniques for focusing light. One method involves placing a convex lens at a precise distance from your light source. The lens bends the diverging light rays, causing them to converge into a concentrated beam. Another effective technique uses a parabolic reflector. This reflector gathers light from a source at its focal point, reflecting those rays forward as a parallel, focused beam. When making your own focused light, remember to experiment with the exact placement of your light source. Small adjustments, even by a few millimeters, can significantly impact the beam's tightness and intensity. For larger setups, a Fresnel lens can offer a lighter and more compact alternative to a traditional convex lens. This focused illumination is essential in many devices, from powerful flashlights to theatrical spotlights and vehicle headlamps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.